Greetings and talofa, Mrs. Ellie and members of our philosophy class. Ma'aloa afua, ai lau ua maua, i le nei tae o fou, ma le tae o tutoa, i le anga lelei o le atua. My work of art is nothing compared to what most of our class created as their work of art. It is because I do not know how to draw, nor doing anything else regarding visual arts. However, the art that I naturally created is specifically a performing art, which is singing. It is the same as an artist who uses a brush to paint a small feeling, while a singer uses its voice to paint a feeling. Moreover, I believe my work of art is beautiful because it helps me relax my mind and soul in times when life is hard on me, and it comforts my heart when I am sad or heartbroken. Singing is my medicine for happiness and my only way to move forward in life.
Yesu, 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 ese lava lo uiloa ile ingoa matai faola Yesu amavailewa soso mamanino otuku mamalo emavaele tumau ao Yesu o ile favavao Jesus, 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 there's something about the name, Master, Savior, Jesus, like a fragrance after the rain. Kings and kingdoms will all pass away, but there's something about that name. Oh, Yesu o ile favavao. O tumulong ipo loaile afio mai formalia ile ngana olo uana le manai mai le nangi fafanaya o te mongai atumura wipu ia tumu ni luna o te marosi ai.
That's all, folks.